Llano makes a 7-in-1 cleaning kit for your cameras, from professional models to simple and easy to use models. Depending on what you're looking for, this is the Llano 7-in-1 cleaning kit. And what we're going to do is open up and show you what you get inside the product. And take everything out of the packaging that you get. We get a carrying case, an instruction guide, the cleaning pen, a duster, cleaning wipes, cotton swabs, and micro cleaning fiber cloths and cleaning solution for the lens. Information is provided about the brush. We have a soft area, pulling out the bottom with the button for the brush area. We are going to demonstrate on the Sony, brushing off with solution, unwrapping, demonstrating cleaning the lens. This is for DSLRs, interchangeable lenses, and more. We have a cleaning wipe and a cotton swab. This is the cleaning wipe. Look for the opening end. It is wet with alcohol. We could clean out glasses and clean the lens and the camera's body. Anything of glass. And we have the microfiber cloth that opens up nice and wide and reusable. These are just a demonstration, a quick demonstration of the product. You have a 360 camera and you need to clean the front and back lens, blow off the dust, and ready for use. This may be something that you are looking for. Or having a camera that you need to clean with the spray and wipe off. Do check out Llano 7-in-1 cleaning kit. Comes with a nice pouch that you could take cotton swabs, wipes. Enjoy your product if the 7-in-1 cleaning solution kit is right for you. And thank you for viewing.